I want to focus on three things because they're the only ones that really matter in day-to-day use. 1. The 16GB base RAM. This is the real headline. For years, I've had to tell people, get the Air, but please upgrade the RAM. Apple shipping 8GB of memory in a $1,000 plus laptop felt like a bad joke. With the M4 model, the $999 base configuration starts with 16GB of unified memory. This completely changes the experience. I'm a heavy multitasker. My workflow is a mess of Chrome tabs, Slack, Spotify, Figma, and multiple documents. On the 8GB M3 Air, I'd eventually hit a wall. I'd see that memory pressure in Activity Monitor, and things would start to lag. With this M4 and 16GB, I haven't been able to make it sweat. This is the single biggest real-world upgrade, and it makes the starting price feel like a genuine value. The M4 chip in a fanless body. The new M4 chip has a 10-core CPU, which is 2 more efficiency cores than the M3. Is it faster? Yes. Does it feel like a revolution? No. Where I did notice it was in heavier tasks. I ran a Windows 11 virtual machine through Parallels, and it felt snappier than it ever did on my M2 Air. When I was batch editing a set of 50 photos in Lightroom, the previews generated noticeably faster. But this is still a fanless machine. When I exported a 10-minute 4K video, the M4 was faster than the M3, but it got hot and you could feel it throttle back at speed. It's like having a sports car engine and a compact car body. It's powerful, but it can't redline for long. The 12-megapixel center stage camera. Finally, Apple upgraded the webcam sensor to 12 megapixels, and it now includes center stage. The image quality is definitely sharper and less grainy in low light than the old 1080p camera, but the center stage feature, which I thought was a gimmick, is surprisingly useful. I pace a lot in video calls, and the camera just smoothly follows me around in the frame. It's a small, polished feature that makes the Air feel more pro.